you all would have read in the press that Lim Guan Eng, okay, the committee itself has went to MACC to report the land transaction to the MACC, Penang, okay, MACC twice. According to who? The committee has launched a report to MACC twice. And then for your information, you all are pressed, we all know, Mr. Eng Wei Ek, political secretary and also Komta assemblyman, okay, political secretary of Lim Guan Eng, he himself has gone to MACC and made a report on his land transaction. The third report was done by the government itself, Penang government itself, by Ramasamy, by another Mansur Osman and Raya. These three people, two deputy chief ministers and an Adon, okay, and an assemblyman has gone to MACC and made a report on the land transaction. The government, Penang government itself is making a report on the land transaction means what? There is something wrong. There is a probable fraud to be there, correct? Section 320 of Land Code, Section 320 of Land Code says if fraud is proven in any land transaction, the state government can pull back the title issue. Okay, you see, Section 320 of National Land Code says if fraud is proven in any land transaction, the state can pull back the title issue. Now the very big question mark arises here. Three parties, including the state government, has gone and reported the matter, the land transaction matter, to MACC, and nobody knows what is the status of the report launched to MACC. Nobody knows whether the MACC has ever initiated or the MACC has ever started to investigate the land transaction. Imagine after some time MACC starts it and the result of the finding is that there is a fraud. If there is a fraud, the state government should come forward and cancel the land transaction. And the report launched to MACC has not even to my knowledge, has not even started. We all don't know the result of the MACC report. Okay, the benefit, if it is proven fraud, the benefit will go to the village people. What will happen if it is proven fraud? If MACC proves it to be fraud, the Penang government will pull out the land title. Then what will happen to this land status? It will become the state land. Once the land becomes the state land again, the state can give back the land and can announce this piece of land as a heritage village of Indian heritage village. That is what they are telling, correct? It is okay. We want to announce it as a heritage village, but we are bound by the court order, federal court order. Okay, now, okay, that means if the fraud is proven, the state will pull back, then the land will become the state land, then the state can give back to the villagers. Status quo. After that, the village people can go and negotiate with the CM and the state government what to do, how to develop, or how can they improve their livelihood. The other issue of this state government going to MACC and reporting. When the state government itself going to MACC and making a report on the land transaction, it means there is something wrong. May or may not be fraud, but some illegal, or don't use the word fraud, maybe illegal transaction is there. My question to Lim Guan Eng and the state government, if you yourself know that there is something wrong in the transaction of the land, why you completed the transaction? Dia sendiri, Lim Guan Eng yang kerajaan, dia sendiri pergi dan buat laporan kepada MACC bahawa ada sesuatu yang tidak masuk akal, ada sesuatu yang tidak kena, dalam urusan pentadbiran tanah ini. Kalau begitu, mengapalah kerajaan baru ini pula menyelesaikan urusan tanah ini? Why? You yourself, the government itself, making a report. Let's say I am the government. I go in report, and myself completing the transaction. All are illegal, full of illegal activities. And now today, the villagers unwantedly being threatened. You agree, or we will demolish. another issue on the section 116D. Okay. Few days ago, I read in the Star paper, the title says, State goes to court. State goes to court. Raya goes to court to implement this section 116 bracket 1 bracket D. What is the purpose of that section? By the state government can use that section to stop the demolition. Raya is going to court and Raya is telling the press on the same day, I waited at the court up to 4:30. The officer, his name is Zakaria, he didn't come there to sign the document. If he has signed 116D, 116 bracket 1 bracket D can be implemented. With that, the state government can prevent the village to be from